Here at Lloyd Range Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Velar, D200 Velar Edition, finished in Fuji White exterior paint, with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. Entering now beneath the power tailgate, we have the load space with the 40-20-40 rear folding seats and the parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside. We have the Ebony Grained Leather seats with centre armrest, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian surround sound system badge on the door card as we turn into view the heated electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the digital gauge cluster with satellite navigation displayed, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. We have the rear camera display, and on the lower touch display we have terrain response, the heated seat controls, and on the center console we have the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.